Buhos nyo na lang ang gas dyan.
Okay. Thank you very much.
There's a switch at the bottom. You can switch it.
Two faults for 11 souls, 11 remains, died of injustice. They find peace, rest, and healing in your presence through Christ our Lord. Tayong lahat ay may pananagutan sa isa't isa. Tayong lahat ay pinipon ng Diyos.